In this video, I'll drive you through the process of referring a friend on the Revolut app. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more great tips. You can also sign up for a free Revolut account by clicking the affiliate link in the description below. When you refer a friend on Revolut, this allows you to earn rewards or bonuses for both you and your friend. It's an easy way to share benefits while helping others access Revolut's services. To start referring friends using the Revolut app, just open it up on your phone and make sure you're logged in to access your account. Once you're on the main screen, look for the profile icon in the top left corner and tap on it to go to your profile settings. From there, find and tap on the Invite Friends option, which will take you to a page where you can start referring people. On the Invite Friends page, you'll see a big Invite Friends button. Tap it, and it'll show you different ways to share your referral link. Now, choose the platform that works best for you, whether it's a messaging app, email, or social media, and share the link with your friends and family. They'll be able to join Revolut through your referral. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and helpful tips. You can also sign up for a free Revolut account through my affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching.